So a lot of you have been asking how we take back what's ours. So here's the information and the directions on how to get there. Today you've seen me break down 3 palpables, the Dum Diversa, the Romanus Pontifex, and the Intricatera. These are the so-called doctrine of discovery, the blueprint for colonization. So let me show the other side. This is the part they prayed we would never connect the dots on, because exposing their system was only step 1. Step 2, learning the system that empowers you. That's why these books exist, okay? They are not just to wake you up, but they're to give you the tools to rise. The first one is called The Reparations Guidebook, Reclaiming Land, Culture, and Rights by Mark Anthony Perkins. The same author wrote a second book called Restoring Heritage and Rights, Undrip, Empowerment for Copper-Colored Indigenous People. These books are not just information, they're ammunition. For 500 years, they used the doctrine of discovery to justify stealing your land, erasing your nation, and reclassifying your people. But here's the truth. It was never legal, it was never moral, it was never binding, and the biggest truth bomb, it was never recognized by indigenous nations. It was a story they told themselves and forced on the world through violence. But lies don't become law just because the liar writes it down. And here's the part that changes everything. There is an international document that overrides their lies with your rights. It's called undrip, the United Nations Declaration on Rights of Indigenous Peoples. And let me tell you what undrip means. It means you have the right to reclaim your indigenous identity. You have the right to your ancestral lands. You have the right to your culture, your language, and your traditions. You have the right to self-govern, and you have the right to refuse government control. You have the right to reparations and restitution. But here's the big kicker. The United States signed UNDRIP in 2010. That means they recognize these rights, even if they hope you never learn them. For so-called Black Americans of indigenous ancestry, and yes, I did say so-called Black because you are not Black, you are indigenous. Black is a political label that pushes you right out of your indigenous sovereignty. And it is a misnomer. And for people who were reclassified as Negro, colored, mulatto, or Black, UNDRIP is the international law that confirms your ancestors always knew that you were indigenous, you have rights, you were never property, you were nations, and nations can rise again. That's why these books exist. Again, their names, the titles of these books, the Reparations Guidebook. It teaches you how to reclaim identity, trace your lineage, secure your rights, build culture, and pursue justice. And UNDRIP Empowerment Guide teaches you the exact international laws that protect your land rights, your sovereignty, your heritage, and future as an indigenous person. They're not just books. They're the blueprint to undo 500 years of erasure. So understand this. They use palpables to erase you. We use the truth and UNDRIP to resurrect you. They use doctrine to dominate. We use documentation to reclaim. They stole nations. We rebuild them. Everything they took was illegal. Everything they built was on theft. Everything they tried to bury is being resurrected right now by people like you. So if you're ready to reclaim your identity, your land, your culture, and your sovereignty, start with these books. Save this video, share it, tag someone who's waking up, and follow my page because the reclamation has begun and we're not stopping until every truth returns home. These books I'm going to list in the captions along with the links if you want to get them. They're also available here on TikTok Shop and any other place that you purchase books. Mark Anthony Perkins. I'm going to actually put the covers on the screen along with the titles again. You guys have a great night.